Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing ice slurry. This is where texture is won or lost. Combine 1 cup crushed ice with a splash of very cold, filtered water so crystals can form uniformly. Once mixed, load into a nugget ice maker or shallow tray that allows agitation. You need circulation to shave crystals. Make sure the temperature is already between -18 degrees and -22 degrees Celsius, because colder stops clumping while slightly warmer makes chewable, porous nuggets. You now focus on controlled agitation and partial compaction so nuggets form correctly. Stir continuously but gently, either by hand or with a low-speed paddle, so flakes grind against each other and become small, opaque particles. Once the crystals reach a granular, snow-like state, use short compression pulses to pack them. This fuses edges without melting the interior. Make sure to pause, inspect, and repeat until you see uniform, slightly flexible nuggets. You finish by separating and chilling the nuggets so they hold shape. Spread them on a cold sheet and quickly cool to -18 degrees Celsius to set texture. Once firm, transfer to an airtight, insulated bag to avoid freezer burn and prevent odor uptake. If you get soggy, re-agitate the batch briefly to dry and reform. If they're too hard, let them sit at room temperature for 2 to 5 minutes before serving. That single troubleshooting tip solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.